Hello and welcome to Cass Academy and Masteries, class on using an abacus. In today's lesson, we're going to be adding two single-digit numbers for simple addition problems. And so just a quick reminder, here we have the ones place, the tens place, the hundreds place, and the thousands place. And so our first problem is going to be 2 plus 4. So we're going to move over 2 plus 4. And so as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And so that's how we would add that problem on the abacus. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Our next problem is going to be 6 plus 4. So for 6 plus 4, we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're going to add 4 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so for 6 plus 4, we have 10. And so when we have a full 10, we can actually replace that 10 ones with a 10 in the tens place. And so here we have our answer. 6 plus 4 equals 10. Our next problem is going to be 4 plus 8. So for 4 plus 8, we're going to count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to add 8 to it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're at 6. We're going to replace it. And we're going to continue counting. 7, 8, and now we have 4 plus 8. And so we have 10, 11, 12. So 4 plus 8 equals 12. And our next problem is going to be 7 plus 9. So for 7 plus 9, we're going to count over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to add 9 to it. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so now we have a 10 and 6 ones, so we have 16. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So for 7 plus 9, we have 16. Our next problem is going to be 3 plus 4. So I'm going to move over 3. And then we're going to move over 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. And so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 3 plus 4 equals 7. Our next problem is going to be 3 plus 9. So we're going to move over our 3. We're going to add 9 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Switch. 8, 9. And so for 3 plus 9, we have a 10 and 2 ones, which is 12. We could say 10, 11, 12. And so for 3 plus 9, we have 12. Our next problem is going to be 2 plus 5. So we have 2, and then we're going to move over 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And so for 2 plus 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Our next problem is going to be 7 plus 3. So you're going to move over 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we're going to add 3. 1, 2, 3. And we're going to switch it. We're going to trade it out for a 10. And our answer is 10. We have 1, 10, and 0 ones, 10. Our next one is 3 plus 1. We're doing 3 plus 1 plus 1. And so 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our next problem is going to be 8 plus 6. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to add 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have a 10 and a 4. And so 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we have 14. Our next problem is going to be 9 plus 9. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We're going to add 9 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So you have a 10, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 ones. And so that is 18. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 plus 9 equals 18. Our next problem is going to be 5 plus 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to add 6 to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 11. A 10 and 1, 1, 10, 11. And so we have finished our lesson today on adding two single-digit numbers. Thank you for joining me.